If you are wondering if you can, well, one, two, one, two, one, two. If you are wondering if you can answer phone calls on Redmi Watch 6, then the answer is yes. As you can see right now, I have an ongoing call with myself, and you can actually use your watch in order to talk throughout the call. So what you need to do is on your phone, you want to make sure that your watch is selected. You should be able to choose your Redmi Watch 6 as the as the device that you want to use in order to communicate during the call. Of course, over here we have a speaker. We also have a microphone over here, so you should be able to, of course, talk through the watch or with your watch. You still want to keep your phone close to the watch because it uses Bluetooth in order to communicate. So it doesn't have like its own mobile plan or anything like that. So you just need to make sure that both devices are close together to make sure that you can use a Redmi Watch 6 to talk on a call. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.